शुरू कर दें असुविधा नहीं। नमस्कार बाबू, शुरू कर दें।
Namaskar, students of class 7. Today we will learn about fraction, which is in chapter 2. Okay? It is very familiar. Fraction is very familiar to us. You get this chapter in class 5, in class 6. So I think it will not be a big problem for you. Let us discuss about types of fractions. First of all, what is fraction? Is a number. Share option দিন নি দাদা
দিয়েছি, কপি করে নিয়েছি, শেয়ারের গ্রুপে শেয়ার করে দিয়েছি।
এটা তো না, এই যে 7 এর আছে। Fraction is a number which can be written in the form of a by b. If a number can be formed in the form of a by b, that is called fraction. For example, 5 by 7 is a fraction. 3 by 2 is a fraction. 9 by 10 is a fraction. These are the example of fraction. You can make your own. Now let us talk about various types of fraction. The first type of fraction we will see, that is decimal fraction. Decimal fraction. In the case of decimal fraction, the denominator is always 10, 100, 1000, etc. That means the denominator will be power of 10, and you can put any kind of numerator. Suppose 7, suppose 9, suppose 11, any kind of number in the numerator, but the denominator must be in the power of 10, 100, 1000, then 10,000, then 1 lakh, but it must be in the power of 10. So it will be called decimal fraction. Next type of fraction we will see, that is vulgar fraction. Vulgar fraction is such kind of fraction where denominator will be rather than 10, 100, 1000. This number will be not included in the vulgar fraction. So we can write any kind of number. Suppose 101, 102, 1000, 1001, 1002, but not 100. This kind of number can be expressed as vulgar fraction. That means below in the denominator there will not be 10, 100, then 1000. This number will be not included in vulgar fraction. Next fraction is proper fraction. in proper fraction, in the case of proper fraction, numerator is always less than denominator. Here you can see the numerator is smaller than denominator. Numerator is smaller than the denominator. If I write 5 by 4, then it will not be proper fraction because numerator is greater. Next type of fraction is improper fraction. In the case of improper fraction, the numerator will be always greater than the denominator. 7 by 5, 10 by 7. These are the example of improper fraction. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. So mixed fraction is another form of a improper fraction. How? If I write 5 by 3, then I can turn it into mixed fraction. How? Divide 5 by 3, I can write 1, 3 ones are 3, remainder is 2. So the new form will be 1 whole 2 by 3. This is called mixed fraction. So it is a form of improper fraction. Improper fraction can be turned into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is also can be reversed into improper fraction. Now we will talk about similarities and dissimilarities between the fractions. In this case, let me write some example. 4 by 6, 12 by 18. What are the similarities between these three fractions? If you look closely, if we cancel these two numbers, if we divide these two numbers by 2, we will get 2 by 3. If we divide these two numbers by 6, we will get 2 by 3. Ultimately, all these three fraction gives us same result. That means the value of this fraction and value of this fraction and value of this fraction are equal. Then these fractions are called equivalent fractions. These are called equivalent fractions when values are same. Can you find some similarities between these three numbers, these four numbers? If we look properly to these four numbers, we can see denominators are same. Then we can say these four fractions are like fraction. You can make your own choice to make like fraction. Like fractions. Fractions. Let me give two more example. 4 by 5, 3 by 5. Here is also we have two same denominators. So we can say these are like fractions. Look at these three numbers. Nothing is similar. If we see the denominators are not same. Then these fractions are called unlike fractions. Fractions. Unlike fractions. Now, how can we make two unlike fractions into like fractions? Let me give you an example. 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. So we have to make these two unlike fractions into like fractions. So first of all, in bracket we will write them unlike. Unlike, because they are unlike, that's why they are unlike fractions. Now we will make them like. To make them like, we have to make LCM of these two numbers. LCM of 4 and 6 means LCM of the denominators 4 and 6. You find out the LCM 2 and 3. So we get LCM is 12. So I will make both of the denominator 12. I can turn 4 into 12. I can turn 6 into 12. To make that, what can we do? We can multiply 4 by 3 and we can multiply 6 by 2. And we have to do the same thing with the numerator, because we have to maintain the same value. We have to maintain the same value, so we will multiply with 3. We will multiply with 2. So 3 3 is a 9, 9 by 12 and 10 by 12. Now you can see the denominator, both of the denominator are 12. So we can say these are like fractions. And we can compare also which is the greater fraction between them. As you can see, it has the greater numerator, so this number is greater. This fraction is greater than this fraction because 10 is greater than 9. Okay, so this fraction is greater than this fraction. Okay, we have some other easy ways to find out which is the greater fraction. So let us take this example again. As we know, this is greater than this. Let us find some other easy system to find out small, which is greater. for this you have to multiply the cross multiplication. You multiply 3 with 6. 3 into 6. You multiply 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. 3 6s are 18. As we know, 20 is greater, so we can say 5 by 6 is greater. This is the easy way to find out which is greater. So in the exercise you have 3 examples, so you can do with the help of this method. This is called cross multiplication method. But if you want to arrange ascending order and descending order, then you must follow the like fraction system. Let me show you. Exercise 2A. Number 2, Roman 1, 3 by 4, 5 by 6, 7 by 9 and 11 by 12. So we have to make LCM of these 4 numbers and 12. So if you divide, you will get 2, 3, 9 is 9 because 9 is not divisible by 2 and it is 6. If we do divide by 2 again, we will get 1, 3, 9 and 3. Now if we divide by 3, we will have 3 and 1. So LCM will be